Why do people move to Florida? It's not just because we don't have state income tax. It's for the beautiful beaches. By the way, my name is Tiffany Curtner. I am your local Northeast Florida real estate agent. Please like and subscribe to my channel because that will motivate me to continue to put out more content. And today I'm here at Porpoise Point here in St. Augustine, Florida. So I grew up going to Huguenot Park, which is up in Jacksonville, Florida, where I grew up. And I still remember the days when my sister and brother and I would be in the back of the pickup truck. We would be there all day. We would pack lunches and just toys and floats and surfboards. And it was a wonderful time. So I'm so happy that now I get to bring my children to the beach. And I really favor Porpoise Point because you can drive on the beach. Which just gives you way more flexibility. It's so more convenient just to pack all of your things in the back. To get onto Porpoise Point, you can make it with an all-wheel drive. That is what I have right now. When I was able to get on it, I was a little nervous for a minute there, but we made it. But preferably you would like a four-wheel drive to get onto the beach. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please go ahead and like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to reach out. My phone number is in the description below. You can feel free to call, text, or just book an appointment on my calendar. So I hope you have a beautiful and blessed day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Please subscribe to my mommy's channel.